Welcome back to Rolling Legends. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the best in automotive content. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in performance driving, the Porsche 911. But not just any 911. We're talking about the 2026 Porsche 911 GT. This isn't just another refresh, it's a statement. A masterclass in precision engineering and raw driving passion. Porsche has done it again, and if you're even remotely a fan of high-performance machines, this one is going to leave you breathless. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The 2026 911 GT is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.2-liter flat-six engine. Yes, Porsche is doubling down on its purist DNA. This engine screams up to 9,200 RPM and produces a staggering 560 horsepower, all without the aid of turbocharging. That's right, pure, unfiltered power. Porsche has refined this engine over generations, and in the GT, it feels like they've reached a new level of mechanical poetry. The power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a revised 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. And for those of you who live for the visceral connection, yes, there's still a manual version. In a world of digital everything, Porsche still gives you the option to truly connect with the machine. And let me tell you, rowing through those gears with that screaming flat-six behind you is nothing short of spiritual. Now let's talk speed. The 2026 GT launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds with the PDK, and it'll keep going all the way to a top speed of 202 miles per hour. That's supercar territory, but the real magic isn't just in the numbers. It's how the 911 GT delivers it. The throttle response is razor sharp. The engine note is pure motorsport. And every ounce of the car feels like it's working with you, not just for you. What really sets the 911 GT apart in 2026 is the chassis tuning. Porsche has taken feedback from both the racetrack and the street to create a suspension system that feels alive. Up front, you've got a new double wishbone setup, borrowed from the GT3R race car. In the rear, the multi-link system has been stiffened and retuned. The result, precision handling without sacrificing road comfort. You can carve canyon roads one day and commute the next without breaking your back. Steering feel is another area where the GT shines. Porsche's electric steering system has been tweaked yet again, offering more feedback and responsiveness than ever before. It's not just about turning the wheel, it's about feeling the grip, the road texture, the balance of the car as you push it to its limits. This isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your own instincts. Aerodynamics play a massive role in the 2026 GT's performance. The front fascia has been reworked with active aero elements that open and close depending on speed and cooling needs. There's also a larger rear wing with an active center section that adjusts on the fly for optimal downforce or reduced drag. Underneath, a completely flat underbody helps channel air for both stability and cooling. It's all very functional, but it looks aggressive too. This thing has presence. When you see it in your rearview mirror, you know something serious is coming. Let's move inside, because Porsche continues to strike a perfect balance between minimalism and motorsport. The 911 GT's interior is driver-focused to the extreme. Carbon fiber buckets with Alcantara trim hug you in place, while the steering wheel is free of unnecessary controls. Just driving essentials. The dash features a new digital analog hybrid gauge cluster, giving you the classic central tachometer flanked by configurable digital displays. It feels modern but honors tradition. Of course, you've still got tech where it counts. Porsche's latest infotainment system is onboard, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a motorsport-derived telemetry app that lets you review lap data after a track day. But everything is secondary to the drive. No touchscreens overload, no distractions, just you, the car, and the road ahead. Weight savings were a huge focus for the 2026 model. Porsche engineers went to town with carbon fiber and aluminum. The roof, hood, fenders, and even the suspension components were engineered for lightness. The result, a curb weight of just under 3,050 pounds, light for a car in this category, and you feel it in every corner, every brake zone, every acceleration out of an apex. Brakes, oh, they're massive. Standard carbon ceramic rotors clamped by 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston units in the rear. The stopping power is immense. Fade doesn't exist. Porsche even added a new cooling channel design that funnels air directly to the calipers for better thermal management. You can hit the track all day, lap after lap, and these brakes won't flinch. Let's not forget the sound. In a world that's getting quieter and more artificial, the 2026 911 GT roars with authenticity. The exhaust is a symphony of mechanical fury, raw, emotional, and thrilling. Porsche resisted the urge to muffle it for the masses. What you get is an unfiltered soundtrack, especially in Sport Plus mode where the valves stay wide open and that flat 6 howls like it's hunting for redline. Of course, all this comes at a price. The base 911 GT starts around $190,000, but with options, like the WISAC package, which adds even more carbon, titanium exhaust tips, and magnesium wheels, you're looking north of $220,000. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a car. You're investing in one of the purest driving experiences on the planet. This isn't about luxury, it's about connection. It's about feeling every heartbeat of the machine beneath you. And that's what the 2026 Porsche 911 GT is all about. In an era when performance cars are becoming more digital, more artificial, and in many cases more sanitized, Porsche is holding the line. They're delivering a car that honors the past, embraces the present, and raises the bar for what a sports car can be. So whether you're carving through the Alps, hitting apexes at Laguna Seca, or just cruising through town, the 911 GT makes every moment feel like an event. It's not just fast, it's not just capable, it's alive, and that, my friends, is what separates legends from everything else. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT, hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw, passionate automotive content. Until next time, keep it pinned, and keep chasing the legend.